Firstly, a very happy 76th Independence Day for all the viewers who are watching and also all the supporters of mine. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. This is one of the most requested video after posting yesterday's AEEE counseling video. It's about SASTRA University counseling of 2022. In order to get the seat there, they already released the ranks in stream 1 and stream 2. Whoever applied for SASTRA, they know it what is stream 1 and what is stream 2. So now I will not take much time and let's get into the video, and let me just give you all the details about the counseling in a detailed way. I will also show you how to fill the choices and everything. So if you see here, I am at the official website of SASTRA. There is like engineering and law rank list 2022-2023. So firstly, we are for main campus engineering, right? SASTRA main campus. I'm just clicking it. This is about SRC Kumbakonam campus. So if anyone of you applied for SRC Kumbakonam campus, process will be same. You have to click there. But I'll be showing you about the main campus because I have login details of someone who got a very good rank and who applied for main campus, so that it will be easy for me to explain you each and everything. So let's go. So here I have two options, click here and counseling instructions. First I'll be showing you the counseling instructions. So let's go. First thing is you have to check your ranks. I think most of you already checked your ranks. I will also show you how to check the ranks as we move forward in this video. This link I will be giving in the description. Just click on the link, and just after that just enter your application number and registration number and the password which you have got on your mail or mobile number. Click on sign in to check your rank first. So first I will be showing you how to check your rank. Click on sign in. So if you sign in, so this is how you are going to get. So this is where you will be knowing all your rank details. So this particular application number, student application number is given, name is given, date of birth is given. They also mentioned his aggregate in plus 2 is he got 985 marks from Telangana board, okay, and his JEE score is 76.95 percentile, okay. Now based on this, he belongs to Telangana state, so he doesn't have Tamil Nadu rank, Thanjavur rank, Trichy rank. He only has All India rank. Just see, stream 1 All India rank is 3062 for this particular student, because stream 1 is plus 2 aggregate plus JEE Mains. When it comes to stream 2, it's only the plus 2 aggregate which have 985 marks, and his rank is 259 in the stream 2. So this is about the ranks. So now what you have to do, guys, is, so this year I am coming up with this particular thing which will help the next year student. I think you also know the problem when you don't know how much rank you're going to get at this many marks you have in JEE Mains and plus 2. So in order to clear that problem for the next year student, I am collecting this data. Please don't worry, your data will not be revealed anywhere until your name and anything will not be revealed. It will be with me, but I will be just showing the rank and marks comparison to the students who are applying next year. So where you click the link in the description, Google form link, just enter your name. I already typed this particular student details, name, state in which you wrote your class 12, and JEE Mains percentile. If you have JEE Mains percentile, enter. Class 12 boards, enter. Stream 1 rank, how much stream 1 rank you got, All India rank, okay. Stream 2 All India rank, okay. So now if you belongs to Tamil Nadu, now you have to, other than Tamil Nadu students, please type NA. If you belongs to Tamil Nadu, you will get Tamil Nadu rank, right? Enter the Tamil Nadu rank. If you don't have, keep NA. Same with stream 2 Tamil Nadu rank. If you have it, keep exact rank. If you don't have, type NA. Then for Thanjavur stream 1 rank, Thanjavur stream 2 rank, if you have, type them. If you don't have, type NA, not available, not applicable, something like that, okay. And at the end, Trichy rank. If you have Trichy rank, enter them in the stream 1 and stream 2. If you don't have Trichy rank, because if you don't belong to Trichy area, Trichy district, then you can just type NA and click on submit. So all this data will be received by me. So this will be helping the people who are applying SASTRA in the next year. Submission of branch choices. So you need to submit the branch choices, you have to give your preference order. What is the first preference, what is the second preference, what is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that. You have to fill each and every preference, whatever options available in the Thanjavur main campus. It's not like, for example, there are 11 for example, let's say there are 11 branches in Thanjavur campus. That doesn't mean you only just fill 1 or 2 as a preference. You have to fill each and every branch. That is, you have to give your 11 preferences for sure. If you don't give your 11 preferences, it will not accept your choices. At any cost, you have to arrange all the branches in your specific order, in your preference order. So only one time you will be allowed to fill the choices, okay. So the branch choices submitted shall be used till the final round of counseling. unless we give you the option to change that during the counseling. So usually the same thing will be there in the JEE Mains during JOSA and CSAP counseling. So if you want a mentorship for JOSA and CSAP counseling, you can join my mentorship. The video in which I have given all the details about mentorship is in the description. Just go through the video, and if you are interested, you can join. And now the thing is, so round 1 allotment. So they will be giving you allotment based on your AIR rank, All India rank, Tamil Nadu rank, Trichy rank, Thanjavur rank. So if you are outside of Tamil Nadu, you will be getting only one rank, that is AIR. If you are from Tamil Nadu, you are getting AIR and TNR. And if you are from Tamil Nadu and you are from Trichy, Trichy region, you completed your class 12 from Trichy colleges, then in that case, Trichy colleges or schools, in that case you will get AIR, TNR, TRYR. Okay. If you are from Thanjavur region who completed your class 12, you will get AIR, TNR, TNJR. Okay, all these ranks. Okay, in both stream 1 and stream 2. If there is no vacancy for choice 1, the allotment will be checked for choice 2. If there is still no vacancy at your rank, then they will check the third choice. So like that, they are going to check each and every choice until and unless you get the seat. So if you don't get any of the branches available in that campus, you will not be getting any seat there. That's what. Now the thing is, once program allotment is finalized, applicant shall pay the tuition fee. Okay, you have to pay online. That should be like credit card and net banking. No extension in the tuition fee will be given to you. Once you pay the fees, within 3 days you will be getting a provisional admission letter, right? Now the thing is, subsequent rounds of allotment, same process will be there for the upcoming rounds like round 2 and round 3, and last round will be merged round. So like everyone will be allotted in round 1, round 2, round 3, like based on their rank. So if at the end still seats left in both choice 1 and choice 2, I mean stream 1 and stream 2, all the seats will be taken into one category at that time. It's a merged counseling. So there is no stream 1 and there is no stream 2 at the end. So that's how it's going to be there. And at the end of 3 or 4 rounds based on vacancy, stream 1 and 2 shall be merged, and counseling shall happen only for the combined stream. Okay. Seat allotment ratio, 20% of the seats is Trichy and Thanjavur district, which is like 10% each, Trichy and Thanjavur districts. Okay. So seats shall be filled in the order. So first they will check All India, then Tamil Nadu, then Trichy or Thanjavur. Hostel accommodation, there is no hostel accommodation in SRC Kumbakonam campus, only available in Thanjavur campus, and for that you need to pay 20,000 per year, and mess fee will be like per month you have to pay the fees there itself. So that is about hostel accommodation. And another thing is, so all the details will be given to you once your admission is confirmed in Thanjavur. Now the thing is like what is this schedule. So B.Tech rank list released on 13th August. So today is 15th August. Submission of branch choices is till 17th August 9 a.m. So still you have a lot of time, guys. So you can just submit the choices as soon as possible. On that day night 9 o'clock you will be getting your round 1 allotment. Okay, morning 9 o'clock they will be closing the choice filling option. So if you got an allotment, you need to continue with the further process of paying fees and all. If you don't get, you have to wait until the next round. Okay, so payment of a fee for round 2 is till August 23rd 9 p.m. So if you don't pay, your seat will be cancelled and you will be out of the counseling. Please keep that in the mind. And then sliding process against round 1 vacancy. It starts from only those who wanted to slide. For example, I got a 4th option, but I am checking for like first 3 options. If there is a chance, please push me forward. That is what my request. Then I'll click a option called after paying fee, click slide. For example, if I got a first option, first choice itself, first with my rank, I'm like really happy, then I'll just accept it and confirm it. So this is first accept or confirm, then slide, and third option is like waitlist. Waitlist in the sense you didn't got any allotment in round 1, you are waiting for the next round. Okay. Round 2 allotment will be out on August 25th, 2022, 9 a.m. and round 3 will be on September 1st, 2022. And on September 7th onwards, subsequent rounds of counseling like merged stream allotment for sliding requests, and those not allotted followed by online fee payment. That's it. Okay. Induction program for orientation begins on September 28th and first year classes thereafter. That means induction starts from September 28th. It seems then mostly in August first week or second week you are going to have your classes. So this is how the schedule is. Now let me just show you how to log in and what are the things you have to do. So now you have just check your rank. So this is where you need to check your rank after logging in. So login link is also in the description. Click that, enter your login details, click on sign in. So this is how you are going to see your rank. Now if you see here, there is an option called choice of branches. So to submit your choices before 17th August 9 a.m. morning 9 a.m. On that day night 9 p.m. you are going to get the first allotment. So chalo, based on your rank, just click on choice of branches. So this particular student already filled the choices. So here you will be having the list of the branches. you have to click on add, it will come to the right side. Okay, so he gave you already, he filled his preference like CSC, IT, ICT, ECE, CSC AI data science, CSC business systems, CSC cyber security and blockchain, CSC IoT. So this is how it filled. So total of 25 options are available in SASTRA main campus. So let's see which option is going to get, which choice is going to get as allotment on 17th 9 p.m. So once you're done with the choice filling, just click on save. So even if you don't submit, so like your choice have been saved but not yet submitted, after verification kindly submit. So if you want to submit earlier, you can submit, but don't do, because if you want to do any changes later on, you will not be allowed to do any changes, right? So till last moment, don't submit anything. Okay, that's what my suggestion is. If you want to submit, submit on August 17th 8 a.m. in the morning, because 9 a.m. it's closing, right? At 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. or 8:45 a.m. just submit them. I'm going to do the same for this particular student also. Okay, chalo, this is about the counseling process, and let's wait for the first allotment on 17th August 9 p.m. Chalo, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you find this is a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.